Let's find out what $1 million gets you in Long Island, New York. What's going on? It's NYC Real Estate P, your Long Island and New York City real estate agent. Today, we're here in Long Beach, New York. We're here to check out a property that's listed for $1.5 million. Yes, this property is currently on the market. 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms. It's a colonial style home built in 2008, and it sits on a 6,000 square foot lot. All right, so let's get started. Please ignore any objects you may see around the home or on the outside of the home. The homeowners have been doing a great job at keeping this house maintained and well kept and ready for the next buyers to move right on in. All right, let's get to it. hopefully you enjoyed that property tour. Again, please excuse any objects you may have seen around the house. The homeowners, like I said, they're doing a really good job at making sure this home is ready for the next buyers to move on in. I think they kept up with this property very well, and it's maintained very well. So if you enjoyed this property tour, or if you're interested in it, because again, it's on the market for $1.5 million, currently listed. Timing is everything. So, make sure you reach out to me if you have any questions, or if you do have an interest to seeing this house in person. Make sure you reach out to me. My contact information is down in the description below. You can call me, text me, send me a DM. You can leave a comment on this video. Just reach out to me. All that information is in the description below. And if you enjoyed this video, if you enjoyed the property tours, if you want more property tours, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, as I'm doing this for you guys every single week. And I'm NYC Real Estate P. I'll catch you next time.